listen, here's the deal. I grieve through anger. I don't necessarily grieve through sadness. When my own mother passed away in February, I walked into the, what do you call it, the funeral home. There she is laid up in the coffin, and I couldn't feel my legs, dropped to the fucking floor. I think I was on the floor about 5 minutes crying my eyes out, and then that was it. Sadness doesn't bother me. And it could be the fact that I've seen so many deaths as a cop. It doesn't bother me. But I also know that with my own faith, somebody dies, they won the fucking lotto. Are you kidding me? If you are secure, if you're saved, holy shit. Why do you want to be on this spinning ball of mud or this flat earth, whatever you want to say, when you could have paradise out there? So, Jessie Lee Ward passed away today. Here's the deal. I'm angry. I'm kind of pissed off. And the only thing is, you're never not going to get the real version of me on social media because I'm not a brand. I'm literally me. That's it. But I'm not pissed off for what you think at. I'm pissed off because so many of you are in the comment section sending me text messages. I know you wish well, and you're like, I'm sorry for your loss. My loss? The fuck are you talking about? I wasn't friends with Jessie Lee Ward. Now, here's the deal. I got to know her. I never met her. Privately, we've had conversations. I know I'm the only person she's ever done podcast interviews on that wasn't business. We talked about sex. We talked about the lifestyle. That woman let more go on my podcast than anyone else. And we built an internet friendship. She would call me. She would leave me voice notes. She would fucking comment on my shit behind the scenes. But here's the deal. I'm not special. Because the most tragic loss is that woman did the same thing for everyone. Here's what I'm pissed at. This is why social media fucking sucks. What I'm pissed at today is that it took a woman to pass away. Thank God. I'm not going to lie. I'm glad Jessie Lee died because she's no longer in pain. She's not suffering. I'm sad for the millions who are left behind who knew the value that woman brought to the table. And the value was her kindness, her compassion, her fucking unbelievable level of fucking forgiveness. All the anti-MLM people who rode the fucking dick of her name to make money off of her, I'm going to tell you behind the scenes how many times I would encourage her to go after them. She wouldn't. She fucking wouldn't. She had so much ammunition to sue those other people. She didn't. She fucking forgave them. But that's a different story. I would never do it. Not a fucking chance in hell. What pisses me off the most is that we're in a day today now where clout chasing is so important. I called Ashley about this, and I kind of bitched to Ashley about 10 minutes ago on the phone because I'm like, dude, I'm fucking pissed at this. I'm livid. I'm seeing now everyone, myself included. I put a picture of Jessie Lee Ward up in my thing, my Instagram, not to chase clout, but to honor her. Because, dude, that woman, fuck, she was more of a human being than I could ever hope to be. And she was a fucking kid. It's disturbing. It's the influencers. And this is what I want to talk to you John Q. citizen about, to get your fucking head out of your ass. For some strange reason, social media has made us think that we're more than we are, right? And you get a microphone, you get a podcast, you get a following, and if you could speak with fervor and passion and fire, you get people to say, yeah, because there's some of us out there who are true salesmen with our words. It's how it is. I can't stand it, and I'm angry, and I'm pissed, because I'm seeing influencers out there who never, you fucking coward cocksuckers, never shared Jessie Lee's stuff. But now you're up on your social media sharing her content and saying how affected you are by her death. See, the thing about social media influencers is they're all selfish. All selfish. Nobody shares other people's shit. That's why I take pride on a daily basis to make sure that I share as many competitors, as many people who oppose me, as many people who I align with. I share as many people's shit as possible because I have no fucking value if I can't pay it forward and I can't build off of other people. You clout chasing fucking influencers. I'm angry. This is how I'm grieving. This is how I grieve, not through sadness, at the loss of somebody that I know I'm never going to talk to again. And it sucks. I fucking hate social media. I can't stand that we have people who've created themselves to be more than they think they are, and they will whore themselves, including the leverage of a fucking death of a woman who brought more value to the table than anybody I've ever fucking known, seen, followed, or learned from, all because it's going to increase your likes and status and whatnot. We're whores. We're whores. So, for the little person out there, for the person who's got 200 followers on their Instagram, 300 followers on their Instagram, I will tell you from personal experience, and it is fact, Jessie Lee Ward cared more about you than she did anybody who had a blue check mark next to their name with 1,000,001 followers. Jessie Lee Ward would have, and she did, pick up the phone for any person who reached out to her. No questions. And if you wound up matching her, not her energy, because that was impossible to do, but if you matched her integrity, she gave you fucking 10 times more than you could hope for. You fucking coward, selfish, blue check mark, influencing pieces of shit out there who are just riding off the coattails and now are leveraging her death, and you never shared any of her stuff because it was a competition or something for it. Enjoy this. Enjoy this. Because unlike you, who you're gonna capitalize off of her death today, and then you're on to the next new trend tomorrow to sell your t-shirts or something else, the rest of us are going to wind up remembering what this woman did for us. We're going to swallow what she gave us to consume, embrace it, and hopefully be better fucking people out there. So, don't go to my stuff. Don't say sorry for your loss. I'm not sad at Jessie Lee's death. I'm actually extremely happy because she's not fucking suffering anymore. I'm actually sad that so many didn't get to know who she was too late, but she left you. She left you an archived fucking library that is unmatched of not how to do business, but of how to live. I will tell you this. I will fucking tell you this. I'm a retired cop. I have no faith in humanity. Everybody lies all the time. I think that human beings are the most vile, fucking disgusting people on the planet. I really do, myself included. I learned from that fucking kid more than I've learned from anybody else. That's me. So I'm not sad at Jessie Lee's death. I'm very glad that I got to know her as little as I did. And I hope that God, that if you're coming across this first time, you go consume that woman's shit like crazy, because you will learn how to live like a human being with integrity, because her sole mission was not about money, but it was to build others up. So for every other you blue checkmark cocksuckers out there, enjoy the fucking 15 minutes of likes and comments that Jessie Lee gave you, proving she's giving you more in her death than you fucking gave when she was alive, and enjoy it. But the rest of us out there, you out there, that woman, celebrate Jessie Lee Ward's life. I'm in network marketing. I'm the bull of MLM. I will never match that woman's ability, integrity, contribution to society or anything else, but I damn sure as fuck will live up to the standards of chasing her well until I'm dead. Have a great fucking day. Share that woman's legacy because she deserves it.